drilling into tile. It sounds scary, right? Like something only a seasoned pro should tackle. But guess what? You can do this. With the right knowledge and a little practice, you can drill those holes like a champ, and I'm here to show you how. We've all been there, staring at a bathroom wall needing to hang that new mirror, but fear grips us at the thought of shattering that beautiful tile. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be a nightmare. This guide will break down the process, step by step, providing clear instructions, pro tips, and even solutions for those uh-oh moments. We'll cover everything from choosing the right drill bit to avoiding common mistakes. So, are you ready to ditch the fear and become a tile drilling pro? Let's get started. Before we fire up those drills, let's talk about the star of the show, the tile itself. Not all tiles are created equal, and understanding the type you're working with is crucial for success. First up, we have ceramic and porcelain tiles, the most common types you'll encounter. They're durable and relatively easy to drill through. Then there's glass tile, which adds a touch of elegance but requires a more delicate touch. Knowing your tile's material helps you choose the right drill bit, ensuring a clean, precise hole without any cracking or chipping. We'll delve into choosing the perfect drill bit in the next section. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the key to a successful tile drilling experience. Now that we're familiar with the types of tiles, let's equip ourselves with the right tools for the job. Having the proper tools is half the battle won, ensuring a smoother and more successful drilling experience. First and foremost, you'll need a good quality drill. A variable speed drill is ideal, giving you better control over the drilling speed. Next up, we have the hero of our story, the drill bit. For most tiles, diamond-tipped drill bits are your best bet. They're designed to cut through hard materials with precision and ease. In addition to the drill and drill bit, you'll need masking tape, a marker, a center punch, and a spray bottle with water. These tools, combined with the right knowledge, will empower you to tackle any tile drilling project with confidence. Remember, having the right tools not only makes the job easier, but also ensures professional-looking results. Section 4. Prepping for success. Setting the stage for flawless drilling. Preparation is key, folks. Just like a good painter prepares the wall before painting, we need to prep our tiles for drilling. Taking these preparatory steps will minimize the risk of cracks and ensure those holes are exactly where you want them. First, locate the exact spot you want to drill. Use a marker to mark the spot clearly. Then, apply a piece of masking tape over the mark. This prevents the drill bit from slipping and scratching your tile. Now here's a pro tip. Use a center punch to create a small indentation in the center of your marked spot. This gives the drill bit a starting point and prevents it from wandering when you begin drilling. With the prep work done, we're ready to start drilling. But hold your horses. We still need to talk about the actual drilling technique. Section 5. Drilling with Confidence, a step-by-step guide. Alright folks, it's showtime. With our prep tile and trusty tools in hand, it's time to drill. Remember, the key here is to be slow, steady, and in control. Start by setting your drill to a low speed. High speeds generate heat, which can crack the tile. Now position your drill bit perpendicular to the tile's surface, right in that little indentation you made with the center punch. Apply light but firm pressure and start drilling. Don't force it, let the drill do the work. As you drill, spray a little water onto the drilling area to cool down the drill bit and prevent dust. Once you're through the tile, you can increase the drill speed slightly to finish creating the hole. And there you have it, a perfectly drilled hole, ready for your next step. Section 6. Troubleshooting and hacks conquering common challenges. Even with the best preparation and technique, things can sometimes go wrong, but don't sweat it. I'm here to equip you with the know-how to tackle those uh-oh moments. One common issue is the drill bit skidding across the tile's surface. If this happens, stop immediately. It usually means your drill bit isn't properly seated in the center punch mark. Another challenge is a cracked tile. While heartbreaking, it's not the end of the world. You can try fixing it with epoxy, or if the damage is severe, replace the tile completely. Remember, every problem has a solution. With a little ingenuity and the right approach, you can overcome these challenges and emerge a tile drilling victor. Section 7, conclusion. You've got this, congratulations. You've made it to the end of our tile drilling journey. You're now armed with the knowledge, tools, and confidence to tackle those home improvement projects head-on. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to start small. Try drilling a few practice holes on a spare tile before tackling the real deal. And remember, if you encounter any hiccups along the way, refer back to our troubleshooting tips. Now go forth and conquer those tiles. And while you're at it, share your successes, and even your learning experiences, in the comments below. Let's create a community of empowered DIYers, one perfectly drilled hole at a time.